So welcome guys. By the way, a quick analysis on our USDJPY for today. Please before you go, subscribe, like and share and comment if you want. So you can see our USD JPY. Those of you who watched my video yesterday, you should need to follow my prediction when I said we will be going bullish, and guess what, we actually had that bullish move which gave us about 130 plus pips. Those of you who followed my trading should have been able to grab a lot of profits and pips that yesterday. We actually went and guess what, I actually took my trade around there, which was at least I was able to grab about 70 plus pips. By the way, I was able to grab about 70 plus pips. So I mean, that is it. So where do you think our price will be going? There's one thing that I'm seeing here, that we're actually going to be hitting this area that I predicted that our price might actually be pushing up to hit, right? And guess what, today we've hit this our area here, and there's every possibility we'll be breaking above it. Because why? Our JPY is actually dropping. When we compare it on our index, we see that our JPY is dropping, while our USD index actually want to be pushing up. So if you have to compare it, we see that our USD will actually be pushing up. That is why I say we should be waiting for a breakout above and probably hitting this break above to hit this our resistance area. So watch out for it. We probably want to be hitting this our resistance area. Now we can see that our USD JPY actually pushes up yesterday. We are seeing on an uptrend. By the way, we saw a retracement here, we saw a push up, we saw a retracement, we saw a push up. By the way, definitely we'll be seeing a retracement in this our key level area here. Definitely we'll be seeing a retracement, probably when we've gotten that retracement of about 20 to 30 pips for retracement, then probably you cannot take your buy position. There are two ways: break above it today. If you don't break above it today, we will be breaking above it tomorrow, but probably we might see a retracement come push up and giving us a double top, push up, and push down again, then before you can actually now see that breakout. So there are two ways: is either we just see a retracement then push up, or we see a retracement and giving us, trying to give us a double top before you actually now see fall and a breakout. But above all, we are waiting for a breakout above this up by key area here, which is about 129.170. by the way. So watch out for it on our 4-hour time frame. We are waiting for a break above it. We can see our price is actually falling, and now on our 1-hour time frame, we can even see the retracement. We are already getting the retracement on our 1-hour time frame already. So that's what I'm saying. We are still bullish. By the way, we are getting the retracement. Let's see if we can get the retracement for here. That should be about you see it, 28 pips. That's what I'm saying. We should see a retracement between 20 to 30 pips and probably 35 pips before we actually now see that push up. So definitely we'll be seeing a retracement. It probably, if it breaks above it, fine, and if it does not, then we should be seeing a double top push down. Then we can now see that break above our price for today. That is our USD JPY. And one thing again is that when we are checking, one thing I want you to know that this time we currently are, we are at the Sydney Tokyo section. So we are actually at the JPY section. So that's how our price is moving volatile, by the way. So probably by the opening of London New Year section, we should have accomplished what we want, break above it, or probably we'll be breaking above it tomorrow. So let's watch out for a break above. And guess what, this is the news that we will be having for only USD today, which will be having a high impact on our forex trading, which is the ISM manufacturing PMI. Guess what, and we also have the George job opening. For our forex news, you can see our previous, and this is the forecast, which it can show. We're having the previous, which is the forecast will be, and these are previous, and this is the forecast. So that's what I'm saying. And when I am to analyze it, I see that our USD should be pushing up. So since our JPY is dropping, our USD is pushing up, then definitely we are on an uptrend. So actually trade what you see and not what you think. Trade what you see and not what you think. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.